Welcome to the world premiere of 2022 calendar, but Sprint of Progress. Sprint of Progress? Yes, this is Sprint of Progress. But this is calendar. Uh, this is this is behind me. But 2022 calendar world premiere is tomorrow. Now, this is the plan for the car of 2022. Let's start it. In January 1, this is new year of 2022. January 4, world premiere of the Sport F and EVGT concept. But this is exhibition by CES. January 30, world premiere of the Glasses Sport Progressive. February 1, Chinese New Year. February 2, 5 Glacier Chinese premiere. February 23, wood premiere wood screen and wood hyperscreen. February 28, Isra Miraj Nabi Sau. March 1, Nyepi Day. March 23, world premiere EV Pure. April 15, Jesus Christ Died. April 29, world premiere Cross Black X. May 1, Labor Day. May 2 and 3, at All Fit. May 16, Waisak Day. May 19, world premiere of the Luxury B Pullman and Luxury C production. May 26, Ascension Day. June 1, Pancasila Day, but this is festival for Indonesian only. June 8, 5 Glacier Japanese premiere. July 4, Independence Day, but this is USA only. July 9, Eid al-Adha. July 30, Hijriah New Year. August 11, world premiere 5 Glaciers new model, but this is an exhibition in Gias, Indonesia. August 17, Independence Day, but this is a festival of Indonesian only. September 20, 5 Glacier Germany premiere. October 3, Independence Day. October 8, Maulid Nabi Saw. October 17, 5 Glacier Paris premiere, but this is exhibition by Paris Auto Show in Paris. November 5, new album release, Automotive Hybrid Music, or this is other name is Automotive Music Volume 2. December 25, 1, this is Christmas Day. 2, this is world premiere of the Christmas new model. December 30 and 31, world premiere of the 2023 calendar. Oh, I'm so excited. This is the plan of the 2022. But this is a 2000 calendar. The birth is tomorrow thing.